So before we start creating it, I want to give you a quick overview of what we're going to do. So let's have a look at my database. So let's have a look at a few typical tasks that we're going to do within the database. One of the most obvious ones would be to add a new design. Therefore, we go to New and we click on POD Database. This will already fill it with some information that we want. Just open up as a page if you want. And as a first step, we're going to add a design name. Like, this is my fantastic design. And regarding the ID, I talk a little bit of how I name my files and sort them in my folders. So let's say this is ID number 6. Then here as a tag, I can give it a status. It can either be an idea, it can be in progress, ready to upload, or already uploaded. And here I have a few more informations, like metadata is if I already have the keywords and everything written, or this is still a task I have to do. If it is a bestseller, the date, for instance, will automatically fill when I click on uploaded. And down here, I have set up 3 PODs, Merch by Amazon Germany and the US, and Spreadshirt Germany. And I can just tell which designs I have uploaded to, and it will automatically sum it up for me. This is basically all the information you see in the tables. And if you scroll down here, there is some additional information that does not show up in the table itself. For instance, here I can put my keywords, I can write my metadata for Amazon, like brand, title, and the bullet points. And I also have some additional information here. For example, I store all my files in my Google Drive to have them in a central spot that I can access from my computer and my iPad and everywhere I want. And here I just put the link to it. So when I click on it, it will immediately take me to my folder. A little bit slow because my internet is not the best. The same principle I can use to make my life easier. For instance, I always have to visit the page where I upload the Merch by Amazon designs, so I can just put the link here and it will quickly take me there. I can also add additional information on separate pages, like file sizes or anything else I really want. So let's just give it the status idea so it shows up where we started off from. So if we go back to design database, in the correct view, we will see that this shows up here in the correct place. So all my ideas are automatically sorted into this view, but we have lots of more views depending on the tasks I'm going to do. For instance, in metadata, in the metadata view, I can see all the files that I'm currently working on, or all the ones that are ready to upload. All I have left to do is write the keywords and descriptions and those things. And the way I like to work is to reserve an hour a day or 2 hours a week and just block it out and in that time just write those things. So for me, this view is very useful. The next view we have is one in progress. This is basically where I see all the designs that I'm currently drawing, or I also put the ones there that I want to work on next. So whenever I feel the urge to draw, I come here and I see which ones I want to work on. Another view is the ones for uploaded, where basically it just gives me a little overview. It gives me the date when I uploaded it, and it also gives me an overview of how many products I uploaded. For example, in Merch by Amazon Germany, I have uploaded 2 products. If I want to see which products they are actually on, I can just click here and I will immediately see that I have uploaded them on PopSockets and on t-shirts. Another view that I have is one for bestsellers. Here I can see all the designs that I have uploaded that are selling well, because these ones are the ones that I want to upload on all available products as soon as possible to max out my earnings. One last table that you see here, don't get scared, that's the master table. This basically includes every single information you see in the other tables. Basically, this is the database behind all the views, and it really has every single information that we later filter out in one database. So between all those tasks, you can easily just switch around. So this was a quick overview of my database, and it really helps me as a tool to optimize my workflow and brings all the things together in one point. So now we're going to build it.